In today's session, I will make you teach U sound rhyming words. Rhyming words are the words that have same or similar ending sound. So let's start. N-U-T, nut. UT is the rhyming sound. So we have to make two more words that ends with the same UT sound. Like N-U-T, nut, B-U-T, but, C-U-T, cut. Nut, but, cut. Now next, M-U-G, mug. Now make two more words that ends with U-G sound. R-U-G, rug, H-U-G, hug. Mug, rug, hug. Now next word, R-U-B, rub. Now make two more words that ends with U-B sound. Rub, cub. C-U-B, cub. One more word, tub. T-U-B, tub. Rub, cub, tub. Now next word, B-U-N, bun. B-U-N, bun. U-N is the rhyming sound. We have to make more words with the same U-N sound. Bun, sun. S-U-N, sun. N-U-N, none. Now recite again from the starting. Nut, but, cut. Next, mug, rug, hug. Rub, cub, tub. Now last one, bun, sun, none. This is your worksheet and you have to complete it carefully. Thank you.